Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how you can email or direct specific emails to a specific folder within your Outlook account. Alright, so what we're going to do is from our browser version of Outlook, we're going to go and look at the email that we would like to move. We can select it and then we can use this toolbar at the top and click Move To, and you can now either create a new folder or move it to an existing folder. You can also right click on that email, it'll give you the same options. There's a Move To section here, or you could simply use the click down, hold your mouse button in, drag it, and drop it to where you'd like to have that email. One of the other ways to do this automatically is to go up to the top right hand side, look for Settings. You will then on the left side of this window find Mail, and in Mail you'll find Rules. So you can create a bunch of different rules to have different types of emails with different conditions move to specific folders. So the first thing you'll do is, of course, name your rule. Then you're going to add a condition. So your condition may include receiving an email from a particular email address, or if an email is received for other members, or your name is on the to line, on the CC line, and so forth. Also, specific subject lines, including specific words or phrases, or if the body of the email includes certain phrases or certain keywords. You can also see that there are many different options. For example purposes, I'm going to add a condition that all emails from a particular email address, so let's just say Jason, will, and for here, the action will be moved to, and now you can select a folder. Again, you'll have the same options. You'll see a list of all of your existing folders, and then you have the option to create a new folder. If you decide to create a new folder, all you need to do is give it a name and click on Save. Once you've filled in all of these details, all you'd have to do is go and click on Save on the bottom right-hand side of this window, and you're done. I hope this was helpful.